Hey everyone, today I'm gonna make a working lift for Unreal 5.5. It's fully working, it's fully customizable, and it can go horizontal, vertical, and it can just wait for you. If I go in here, it won't actually override, so it will just wait for the animation to finish, and afterwards I can just call it again, and it will just go back down and yeah, it's fully working, so let's just get right into it. Okay, so first create a new folder. I call it lift. Open the folder and add a blueprint class called actor. We can call it pressure plate maybe. Okay, so after you go to the blueprint and add a cube, I will scale it to maybe 0.3. I might change it later. So okay, so once you get, maybe you have your own static mesh, so you can just click cube and you get your own static mesh. I don't have it, so I just have cube. Okay, so then click on add and add a collision, and for now we can use the box collision, and it needs to fit the entire cube or pressure plate. After this, you don't need this, and create from box, right click add event and add on component begin overlap. Okay, so we have this. We will come back to this. We need to get the lift first, so let's just compile, save, and go back. I'm just call it another actor, and I'm gonna call it lift blueprint. And with this, again, right, take a static mesh. I'll call it lift. Okay, so you can add your own static mesh. I'll go my own static mesh. I think it's called lift, I think. And here we go. It's a bit big. I might have to scale it down later. So after, when you go your own lift, you can also have a box. It's fine. It doesn't need to be something crazy, right? Okay, so on the event graph you don't need this, and just write custom event, and I'm gonna call it start animation. And with this, you go click B and just click to add a branch, and on variables write is moving, right? And just control and just drag it here. Okay, so and then we need to see if the lift is moving. If it is, it doesn't do anything because it's moving already, so it won't override the things. But if it's full, so if it's stationary and it's available, basically, it will start the animation. So with is moving, right? Take it, drag it with Alt to have set, and set it to false, and check the box is moving, because it is moving, right? And get actor location, right? With this, you need to promote it to a variable, and you could call it initial lift position. Put that on set, and with this, you will need a timeline. So a timeline, I just call it timeline. We won't do playing, but play from start, and just double click on the timeline, add track, and add float track, add a key, and call it 0, 0. You can have it, how long do I have for me? I'll go 5 seconds, so you might need more time. It depends how how fast you want the lift to go. For me, I want it kind of slow because it's a big distance, so it needs time to go down, up and down, right? And add a key right here too, and I'll set it to 20. Okay, so you will need to we will worry about this later. For now, we need to set the actor location. So set actor location, and with this new location, just drag it from the initial lift position. So right, add actor local offset, and with the delta location, right click, so click on that one, and also drag this new track to the delta location Z. So, and also get a reference to self. You just need we can now done, we just need a delay. I'll set it to the actual timeline, so it was 20. I'll just do 21. So the delay we need the delay, so if you just step on the platform, step off and step out again, the location will go twice, so it will just duplicate. So it needs a cooldown after you step on it, and right is moving, drag with Alt and set to false. Also add a event begin play, set is moving to false, so as soon as you see it, it's not moving, so you can just step on it right away. So now we need to calculate where does it need to go, and then we have to reference in here. We can also do it now, so drag and do cast to lift BP, and after this we need a new variable, so I'll just call it trigger actor, and put this to an actor object reference, right? Drag it here, get actor, and just add it in here. And with this, we have to call the actual animation. So start animation from the lift, and as lift blueprint to the target. Now we're done with the pressure plate. We just need to set the location of the lift. So let me just go here on lift, and I will just add a lift blueprint right over here. So this is good for me. And we need to calculate, so this is the initial lift position. Now we need to calculate where does this go. So for me it goes all the way down here from 8,000 to 100, because there isn't much difference from the actual level for me. You can also add it from here, so from 0 just drag it up, and this will be your actual value, but because I'm starting all the way up here, I need to take the value and minus it so it can go down. So I will actually go and do a reverse. First, I actually want the lift to go a bit slower when it starts, so after 3 seconds it might just go down a little bit, so maybe minus 1000, right? And also click this buttons to scale it up, so you know the scale of the value, right? So after 1000 it goes from 8000, and I think 8200 minus 100 that it was right here, so maybe around 8000. So add key, value, I put it to 10, and value is 8100, right? So from here I'll do this again and add another key, so it kind of stops for 5 seconds, and then just copy this value again, and now click on auto right here, so it wouldn't look as rigid. It will appear at this angle, so I will actually put this a little bit up, so it will have a little bit of wobbliness to it. You could just change it to make it flat, so just preference, right? So after this, I think I am done. I think. Okay, let me see if it actually works. Oh, right, and also add the pressure plate. I forgot. It should be right here. Maybe I'll scale it up a bit. Okay, so after you've done this, right? The only thing you need to do is go to trigger actor, click on the pick actor from scene, and just pick the actual lift. And I think with this should be working. I think, yeah. Okay, it's going down. It should go faster now. Yeah. So it goes totally down, and it should go up. So it works. It should go up again and just rest in there. So if you want another button right here, so you can call it up, right? Just go and click on, take the actual pressure plate again, and again, never forget with this, pick the actor left. So when you click play, it goes down. I might have to wait a little bit. It's obviously everything is changeable, right? So it goes totally down, right? So when I step on it, it won't do anything. It will just go up, and after 21 seconds, so it got rested. If I click it again, it will just go down. And it's fine if you just step over it, because we added a boolean, so it goes totally down. Just go under the lift, and here we go. So I think that's everything. It works. You can change it to whatever you want it to be, horizontal, whatever you want it to be. You can also create puzzles with this. Hopefully you found this helpful, and that's all. See you later.